Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we will review Roborock S8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner with dual brush and 6,000 Pascal suction and 3D Structured Light Obstacle Avoidance Robot Vacuum compatible with Alexa for pet hair upgrade of Roborock S7 or White. Let's get started. Introduction. In the fast-paced world of home automation and smart appliances, the Roborock S8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner has emerged as a game-changing innovation. This state-of-the-art device not only simplifies household cleaning, but also offers advanced features like dual brushes, powerful suction, 3D Structured Light Obstacle Avoidance, and compatibility with Alexa voice control. This accompanying video will provide an in-depth exploration of the Roborock S8. 1. Introduction to Roborock as a brand. Roborock, as a brand, has a distinguished history in the realm of robot vacuum cleaners. With a commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, it has earned a reputation as a trusted provider of intelligent cleaning solutions. Roborock's history and reputation. Roborock's journey began with a vision to revolutionize home cleaning through automation. Founded, the company has consistently delivered cutting-edge products that combine technology and convenience. This commitment to excellence has established 2. Key features of the Roborock S8. The Roborock S8 boasts a range of impressive features that set it apart from its competitors. Let's delve into these features one by one to understand their significance in the world of robotic vacuum cleaners. Dual brush system. At the heart of the Roborock S8's cleaning prowess is its innovative dual brush system. Unlike traditional robot vacuums with a single brush, the S8 features two brushes that work in tandem to enhance cleaning efficiency. The dual brush design offers several advantages. Firstly, it covers a wider cleaning path, reducing the time it takes to clean a room significantly. Secondly, the combination of a bristle brush and a rubber brush ensures that various types of debris, including pet hair and dirt, are effectively agitated and collected. This results in a more thorough and effective clean. 6,000 Pascals suction power. Suction power is a crucial factor in determining a robot vacuum's cleaning effectiveness. The Roborock S8 impresses with its 6,000 Pascals suction power, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums on the market. To appreciate the significance of 6,000 Pascals suction power, it's essential to compare it to other models in the market. See 3D Structured Light Obstacle Avoidance. A standout feature of the Roborock S8 is its 3D Structured Light Obstacle Avoidance technology. This cutting-edge system equips the vacuum with an enhanced ability to navigate complex environments with precision and safety. Alexa compatibility. In the era of smart homes, compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa has become a sought-after feature. The Roborock S8 seamlessly integrates with Alexa, allowing you to control and schedule cleaning sessions using voice commands. Voice control adds a layer of convenience to using the S8. With a simple command, you can initiate cleaning, pause the vacuum, or direct it to specific areas. 3. Roborock S8 versus Roborock S7. A comparative analysis. To understand the advancements brought by the Roborock S8, it's essential to compare it to its predecessor, the Roborock S7. 4. The impact of the Roborock S8 on daily life. The Roborock S8's advanced features and capabilities have a profound impact on daily life. It takes the chore of vacuuming off your hands, giving you more time to focus on other tasks or simply relax. Pet owners, in particular, benefit from the Roborock S8's capabilities. 5. The Roborock S8 in the context of smart home technology trends. The Roborock S8 aligns with the broader trends in smart home technology. As homes become more interconnected and automation becomes the norm, the S8's compatibility with Alexa and its advanced navigation capabilities position it as a valuable addition to the modern smart home ecosystem. In conclusion, the Roborock S8 robot vacuum cleaner is a testament to Roborock's commitment to innovation and excellence. Its dual brush system, 6,000 pascals suction power, 3D structured light obstacle avoidance, and Alexa compatibility make it a standout choice in the robot vacuum market. Whether you are a pet owner seeking a solution to manage pet hair or a tech-savvy homeowner looking to simplify cleaning, the Roborock S8 has much to offer. It not only streamlines household chores, but also fits seamlessly into the evolving landscape of smart home technology, making it a compelling addition to any modern home. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out upcoming gadget reviews. Thanks for watching. Your presence is valuable, and your support means a lot for me. Until next time, goodbye.